now we are going to check the demo video for city bike usage prediction. So this is the data set we have taken. So the data set have a date and a season, year, month, hour of the day, whether it is holiday or weekday, and then working day. So weather conditions, temperature, humidity, wind speed and all, because the bike riders will be having these weather data will be considered, and the number of count means how many bikes in demand. So this is the count value. So totally 17,380 records are there for the data set. So the data set we are using here, and all the results will be generated and stored in this location. So if I delete also, it will get generated. We are implementing algorithms like lasso, ridge and forecast also we are doing. So now we are browsing the data set. So this is the data set we are browsing, and we are clicking on the pre-process. So image visualization will be done on the pre-process. So this is the data histogram plot. Weather condition, average count, clear, mist, no, what is the total count of vehicles used. So this module represents the visualization. So what is the month and what is the usage in the month, and what is the seasonal data also according to the season data, season wise monthly distribution. So weekday wise, every week day wise distribution, and number of counts rental by season. So this is again a histogram plot with all the count values, box plot. Pair plot. So this is like outlier analysis. This is correlation matrix. So the pre-process, that is data visualization, is complete. Now we are applying the lasso algorithm for the prediction. So the accuracy of the lasso algorithm is more than 50%, that is more than 60% we are getting through lasso. So 54% we are getting. So this is the ridge matrix values, we are getting around 60.9% in this analysis. And this is the forecast. Forecast for the next 3 days. What is the forecast value? So for the next 3 days, the demand for the bike is 149, 130, 87, like that. So that's all the demo. Thank you.